To fix Uber Cash not working, start by checking your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. Open the Uber app, go to the menu, and select Payment, then Uber Cash to view your balance. If your balance is low, you can add funds using a credit or debit card, PayPal, or other accepted payment methods. Next, verify that Uber Cash is selected as your default payment method. To do this, go to the Payment section and make sure Uber Cash is chosen as the default. If it is not, select it from the list of available payment options. If you are still experiencing issues, check for any pending or failed transactions that may be causing the problem. You can do this by going to the Trip History section of the app, where you can view a list of your recent trips and any associated transactions. Another common issue that may cause Uber Cash to not work is an outdated app version. Make sure your Uber app is up to date, as older versions may not support Uber Cash. You can check for updates in the App Store on your device. Additionally, ensure that your location services are enabled, as Uber Cash may not work if location services are disabled. You can enable location services in your device settings. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try restarting the app or contacting Uber support for further assistance. You can do this by going to the Help section of the app, where you can submit a request for support or view frequently asked questions. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Uber Cash not working and continue using the service without any issues. Remember to always check your account balance, verify your payment method, and ensure your app is up to date to avoid any problems with Uber Cash.